Well, hey, we're out with Ranger. Yeah. Ready? Seek. Let's see if he can find source. I think he's gonna get stumped. Where is it? So it's about, it's about ready to snow. It's chilly, we got lots of wind, so there's that. Where is it? Yeah, this one is a challenge. Yeah? Show me. Show me. Right there, huh? Yeah, he's right. Alright, behind the heater, or this exhaust vent. There we go. Oh, that didn't sound good. We got really old blood. There you go. He did it. Good job, bud. Hey, we'll catch you out there.